Dear students, you all are welcome to the online classroom of Paikasa Government Girls High School. I hope you all are safe and sound by the grace of Almighty God. Today I will take another class on TAP question. And dear students, look at the whiteboard. There are some sentences and you have to make TAP questions of the following sentences or of the following statements. First of all, you say he put the book on the table. Dear students, first of all, you have to find out the auxiliary verb from the verb of the given sentence. Here, the verb put. The verb put is in past indefinite tense, and that's why we have to write did, and then we have to see whether the construction of not will be written or not. Here, the statement is affirmative, and that's why the construction of not will be written. And then we have to add an apostrophe. And then we have to write the pronoun of the subject. Here he will be written. The subjective form of the pronoun will be written here. Dear students, did he is the caption of the statement. He put the book on the table. You know, when we make a tag question, we will write the auxiliary verb first. At first, we have to write the auxiliary verb. We have to find out the auxiliary verb. Then we have to decide whether the construction or not will be used or not, will be written or not. And then we have to write the subjective form of the pronoun. You know, if the statement is affirmative, we have to make negative tag question, and that's why I have written the negative tag question here. I think you have understood. Dear students, look at the next statement. The creator is second pronoun. Here is the main part of the sentence, but it is also an auxiliary verb, and that's why you have to write is here. Yes. Then you have to decide whether the construction of not will be written or not. Here now gives the negative sense. So this sentence, this statement gives negative sense, and that's why the construction of not won't be written there. And then we have to write the pronoun of this subject. Here the creator. The creator means God, and that's why we have to write he. Here the capital H will be written here. If you write a small h, it will be wrong. You have to write capital H. Is he is the tag question of this statement. Dear students, look at the next statement. Neither of them went there. Dear students, here went is the main verb in the sentence, and it is in past indefinite tense, and that's why we have to write did as the auxiliary verb. Did. And it is a negative sentence, it is a negative statement, it gives negative sense, and that's why the construction of not won't be written there, but we have to write the subject. Neither of them. Here, them is the subject of the sentence, but it is in objective form, but the subjective form of them will be written there. Here, them will be they. Dear students, did they is the tag question of this statement. look at the next statement. You would be happy hearing the news. Dear students, here the contraction form has been given. Here Dear students, this form is the construction form of wood. This is the construction form of wood. And so, the auxiliary verb will be would. And then we have to write the construction or not, because the statement is affirmative. And that's why we have to write the construction of not, construction of not in hostility, and then we have to write the subjective form of the here he will be written. So wouldn't he is the that person of this statement. And dear students, another example has been given here. I spent little as I had little. Dear students, this is the main part of this statement. And it is in past unit tense, and that's why you have to write did, and you see there is a word little, and this word gives negative meaning. It's negative. It indicates negative meaning, and that's why the construction of not won't be written here. And then we have to write the pronoun did I. So dear students, did I is the that portion of the sentence. I spent little as I had little. And dear students, look at the next example. We hardly believe that. In this sentence, the word hardly gives negative meaning, and the main verb of this sentence is believe, and it is in present unit tense, and that's why we have to write do, and then we will not write the construction of not, because hardly the word gives negative meaning, and that's why we have to make positive that person. And now we have to write the subject. Dear students, after we can write does, and we also can write does before do, and that's why I have written do here. Do is the portion of this statement. And dear students, look at the next example. Many a man attended the function. Here attended in past part indefinite tense, and that's why we have to write did, and then we have to write the construction of not, because it is a affirmative statement. And then we have to write the pronoun. Here many a man. If there is a phrase like many a man, all the time you will write they as pronoun. Did they is the person of this statement. Dear students, another example has been given here. How nice the flowers are. Dear students, in this sentence, the flowers is the subject and are is the verb. Here are is the main verb, but it is also an auxiliary verb, and it will be written here. As the sentence is affirmative, we have to add construction of not, and then we have to write the pronoun form of the subject. The flowers. The pronoun form of the flowers is they. So dear students, aren't they is the person of the statement. Look at the next last part of the list. Look at the last example. He is a pronoun. Dear students, here is the main verb of the sentence. It can be written here as an auxiliary verb. Is as the sentence is affirmative, so the construction of not will be added here. And dear student, look at the subject. Here he has been written in inverted commas. You know, he is not he has not been used here as a pronoun. It is a subject. It is a grammatical part, and that's why the pronoun form of the subject will be it. Don't write he here. If you write he instead of it, your answer will be wrong. So, dear student, isn't it is the question of this statement. I think you have understood.